may nang
Oh,
gani.
Lily is
Oh, may nang
here.
gani.
Oh.
Kaya nasumpa sa magician
Oh,
na
okay.
imumunggo.
Okay, wave. Oh, wave sa anak mo. Live
Hello,
na.
baby.
Hello. Anong
Hello
pangalan
to
niya?
all my, hello
Jan-
to Sean Bin Latif, my engaged in Abu, my
Calixterio.
daddy, my mommy, si Sego the First,
Okay.
Muhammad Ayesa Muhammad Ismail
Okay.
Al-Hasmi, to Madam Amina Muhammad Abdul, August 8, 1938, to Hamdaya Kolot, to Abrak Muhammad, to Madam Amil, at to especially to my beloved son, John
Name?
Carillo Calixterio, irigas ko kay Madam Amil.
Okay, that's Lily.
To all gitnang silangan, irigas ko sa may Sambuanga Camili sa Pilanas, pagkaisini sa Cebu. And to all my relatives in America, Singapore, Hong Kong, Hapon, China, gitna silangan to abroad.
Oh. Give your complete name.
Lily
Lily
I use the
Calixterio.
name Lilia Pipito Carillo.
Lily.
Supposedly I don't like a fourth edition because I, sister of Pipito ko the second, Latif Carillo, Latif Carillo, Muhammad Abdullah, etc.
Okay. Lilia Pipito Carillo, alias Lily.
Lily.
Oh, si
Ang ako mga pana, Sean Bin Latif, Abrak Muhammad, John Catlanti, they are brothers, Diyos ng pag-ibig, Hari Prinsipiking, Kab, Sacerdote, Kab Herodes.
And you are already a teacher. You graduated.
I graduated March 26, 2004, serving
Bachelor?
Bachelor Pialong Cotabato.
Bachelor of?
Bachelor of Elementary Education with an area of concentration in Sumakamnodi Legal, with not give problem to the community and to the school, the faculty and staff, and did not give problem to the PRC staff, 99%.
Okay, Lee, have you taken the board exam for teachers?
Yes,
You're already-
yes.
When?
Because,
You're a board passer?
August 29, 2004, because being a board passer, from the very first start na brain, heart, blood, and tribes, and odd family background, and as well as the performance in school, elementary to college, at the same time, you are school leaders.
Okay, so you can ask live on Facebook. Manawagan ka. Anybody who can share a help for your
Only
condition.
I can say to all of us that poverty is not hindrance to this the rest of success. Even you are now very poor, makapag-aral kayo kasi nagsusumikap, nag-aaral si Mami Cecil, Go the First, Jose Pasapia, Marimig Sean Bin Latif, Abrak Muhammad, John Dante, and also all tribes then give to the Commission of Higher Education so that continuous petition elementary to college, PISPA, Kang Hospital.
You asked your son and
Please,
your
don't
friends to
kill-
help
don't
you.
kill my son
Any
in
help?
Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, because I know that he have a school.
Okay, so Lily is asking help.
Don't kill my John Roy. Even I will I can't receive his salary every month because I
you can
understand the culture and belief of our tribes. I have the right to receive the salary.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Lily.
Bye.
So, bye. Mabuhay. That's Lily. According to her former or her real name is Lilia Carillo. Okay, he's here in Nang National High School asking for whatever help, whatever amount. So, there are teachers. We shared a small amount for Lily for today. So, hoping we can help also this person. She's a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Education, but due to depression or any problem, she's already now in this condition. We can see Lily always in the market in the past years, selling ice drop anywhere in Lang. So hoping we can help Lily. Thank you. Mabuhay. Good day, everyone.